Om Shri Sai Ram. As India is gearing up for the Independence Day celebration, here is a wonderful reason for each of us to amp up that celebration. And what is it? It is Tokyo 2020. Interested in knowing why this is the special factor? Continue watching the video. As all of us were struggling and combating with COVID-19, there were a group of youngsters who were giving it all their might, trying to achieve a stupendous task, and that is nothing but the Tokyo 2020. So after a long gap, in fact, independent India won its gold medal very recently, and that too through the tremendous effort put in by Neeraj Chopra. Hence he is rightly called as a golden boy of India, and it is about him that we are going to see in this video, and we are going to celebrate this success as Indians. So how did it all start? Neeraj, as a 12-year-old boy, was chubby and plump, and his parents were concerned that he may grow into an obese youngster, so they sent him to a gym. And first gym he was not satisfied, he shifted his gym also, and he started going to another place. It is there he saw a lot of people practicing a variety of sports, and there he came into contact with Mr. Jayveer. And he asked him to just throw randomly this javelin, so he did it one day, and usually people maybe will cover around 20 meters, but Neeraj had a natural flair for it and he threw 40 meters. And Jayveer was really impressed by this natural talent that Neeraj had. So he told him that among all the sports, this was one thing that he could pursue, and Neeraj also had confidence in this. But his parents did not know what javelin was. Internet connectivity was also not so good in his area, so Jayveer downloaded videos of what javelin is, what that entire sport is, and took it and showed it to his father. After seeing this video, Neeraj's parents, Mr. Satish Kumar and Saroj Devi, got an idea what javelin throw or this sport is all about. They had to sell their ancestral property in case he had to get more coaching. So his first coach was Jayveer Singh, who coached him almost for a year in this javelin throw. And the best part of Neeraj is that he was so eager to learn. Somehow this javelin attracted him and he wanted to give his best. And whenever he saw anybody performing well, he would ask them for some tips, note down in a notebook, and try to incorporate that into his practicing of the sport. So a group of 4 athletes, Neeraj and Jayveer, were training at Tavu Devi Lal Stadium at Panchakula. He was doing this since 2011, and 2015 he got a call from the national level. From then on, there was no looking back for Neeraj. The best part of him was usually players will train for some time, they will improve to an extent, and afterwards it will be like a plateau. But that never happened in the case of Neeraj. Every time he would learn a new technique, every time he would rectify his error, he kept growing. Like from 40 meters, he kept growing to 60 to 80 finally, and he took part in a lot of events both nationally as well as internationally. And in these initial years, his coach was Mr. Naseem, who played a vital role in shaping and laying the foundation for Neeraj's life. So my dear friends, this career of Neeraj, which got kick-started in this way, actually took to a crescendo. He won numerous competitions and made a mark in this track and field events. Now let us have a glimpse of the numerous awards won by Neeraj Chopra. So let's get started from the year 2016, when in the Asian Junior Championship, he won the silver medal. And in 2016 World Junior Championship, he bagged the gold medal. In South Asian Games, he won the gold medal in 2016, and in Asian Championship 2017, he won the gold medal. The next big event was the Commonwealth Games, which was conducted in 2018, in which he bagged the gold medal again. 2018 in Jakarta Asian Games is the scenario. You see him again going for the gold. And the ultimate, the dream of all athletes is to win a medal in the Olympics, and we saw him conquer this highest summit and make all of us proud by winning the gold in the Tokyo 2020 very recently. So my dear friends, even we have started thinking that this career of Neeraj is something very smooth sailing and always going uphill. No, that is not the case. He also had his own trying times. In the middle of 2019, after he had qualified for Tokyo 2020, he met with a grave accident. He thought that his career was going to end with that, and he had to be operated on the elbow. Means right hand elbow is the main thing for him to throw the javelin, and he injured it, and the elbow had got locked, and there were some ligaments which were torn, and it had to be operated, and it was a 2-hour major operation, and he had to spend nearly 4 months in rehabilitating. Imagine the kind of mental trauma he would be having. He had this consistent record of throwing the javelin for around 88 meters, and when he was recouping in the hospital, there were a lot of events happening worldwide in which the gold medal was won by people throwing to 85 meters, 86 meters. Imagine his mindset. And again this doubt was lingering in his mind whether he would again go back to the track and whether he would be able to throw. But he filled himself with a lot of positivity and overcame all this physical, mental and emotional trauma. And in Tokyo, just few days back, when we saw him come out to take part in the event, he was a picture perfect, oozing with lot of positivity and confidence. And did you watch the way in which he threw the javelin? Actually, he almost jumped and fell before he would release the javelin. So it is very evident that he wanted to give his best. There are 6 attempts given to every participant, every athlete in this event. In the first attempt itself, he threw it for 87.03 meters. And that itself was really great, and nobody was actually close to him. But in the second attempt, he made 87.58, and that is the throw that made him achieve the gold medal and go down in the history of independent India to be the first person to win a gold medal in track and field events. And that is the moment that made all of us swell with pride and our eyes filled with tears in pride watching this youngster come back, recover from an almost impossible situation and bring India onto the pedestal of crowning glory of winning a gold in the Tokyo 2020. So my dear friends, to make a mark, to take the whole world by storm, you don't have to be born to a millionaire. Neeraj Chopra was born to a farmer, to a normal household, and from the small district of Panipat in Haryana, he made the whole world turn and look at him and look at India with a sense of pride. There is this quote that you can find in the house of Neeraj Chopra. It just takes a single idea to light up your lives, and sometimes it is just a chance encounter. Meaning, there are a multitude of opportunities that come our way, and sometimes it is just a small thing that we take up, and when we pursue it with all our passion and give all our best, definitely the journey will not be a smooth one. But if you have the persistence, you can make India proud. So that is it, my friends. Let the spark that Neeraj has lit up in the history of India light up our lives also. Let us develop more confidence. Let us get back to our work with renewed enthusiasm and do it to our best so that we can also be a proud citizen of our country. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share this with your family, friends and everybody, because these are the heroes we need to salute, we need to celebrate. Give in the comments below what you felt when you watched Neeraj win the gold medal. It was goosebumps moment for all of us. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Stay tuned, stay fine, be confident, give your best. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.